what's going on? Tsai here. So in this video, I want to show you how you can create your own members area inside Clickfunnels. So we all know that there are so many members area software nowadays. There are Kajabis, there are so many other softwares there. But if you just get started and you don't want to spend extra money on members area, you can just create one inside Clickfunnels. So let's see how we can do about that. So the first one is we go to funnel, then we go to add new, right? Then all you have to do is you click on create new funnel. Then you click on sell your product. Then you can choose membership. Right, then you give your members area a name. Here, because it's demos, I would just give it a name like demo. Then you click on build funnel, right? So it may take few minutes. So then we will have to choose the login page. So right now we just choose a random one. So then you can go to edit this page. So you can choose to change the logo of this page. So you can just do some basic editing, right? You can change the font size, you can change the image size. So you just click on the image and you can change the properties here. You can also change the padding here, so it wouldn't be like the logo will not be so far from away from other things, right? So after you done all this basic setting, you can just click on save. So you can do more fancy style, but this is just a demo, so I don't want to do so many things on the login page. Then we click on the exit. Then we want to choose the look of our members area. Then you can choose a really simple design, like this one. Then you can just click on open the editor to change the look of your members area. So you can change the logo there again. You can also change the color there. So you can also add some more image there. And you can also add some text there. So it's just like you can do many things here. So after you done all the setting, right, you just click on save. Then you can go to the previous page. So right now you can add new listens to a section, but before that we want to add new section. So you can just create one. Maybe this one is video marketing course. Then you can create one. Then you can add new listens inside this section, right? So you can choose one and listen one. Then you can choose the template. So if you are running maybe video course, you just click on the video lesson. Then you can create lesson. Then if you are running monthly membership, you can also change the drip content, so it can let those content to be showed up after maybe 30 days, right? But right now we are just running a course site, so we don't really need to have this kind of feature here. Then you can open editor. So as you can see, you got a basic template here already, so you can just change. If you are hosting on YouTube, you just choose YouTube and you change the URL to your YouTube video. Or if you are using Vimeo, then you change it to Vimeo, right? Then you can change the text. Then you click on save. Then another feature is you can decide who get access to this content. you can click on restrict access. Then you can choose the product requirement, which means what a product they should buy before getting access to this product. So if you're running a funnel inside Clickfunnels, you can easily control who get access to the content. So after we choose the product required, then we choose update listen section. So that is the basic framework of how you can create a membership site inside Clickfunnels. So I hope this is helpful. If you want to learn more, you can check a link below to learn how you can create your own first funnel. So thanks for watching. I will see you soon in the next video.